Hi, my name is Kath, I work for Sally Holland, and this is an opportunity for you to learn about Article 27, the right to a home, food and clothing, and for governments to support you if you don't get this. So I want to give you an option of 3 activities and then 1 reflective question you can use to think about this article. So one option is about decent homes. So you've got an option to design a home, design your dream home, a dream home that you would design. Imagine you're designing a home just for you and your friends, or you and people that you want to share a home with. What would it have in it? Dream food, so if you're designing a 3-course meal or a meal, what would be your dream meal? Is that things that you need? And last of all, clothing. What kind of clothing would be like best clothing ever for teenagers? And then I'd like you to think about a reflective question. Why should government support young people to get the things that they need in terms of home, food and clothing? Go for it.